My other HDMI cable went missing at work, so I decided to pick up one with a longer cord this time so that I could like plug it right into the projector machine next to my laptop where I'm teaching. So this goes right into my MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. It's got the USB-C connector and a simple HDMI connector. So pretty simple device. But this time, as I say here, I did opt for the longer cord. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's 6 feet, or what is that in metric? Meter and something, right? So very happy with this. I've only used it a couple of times. The only down part for me is that because the cord is long, I'm not going to leave it in the room. I take it back and forth with me every day. So it might be easier for me just to have a short cord and extend it to the longer one that's available in the classroom where I teach. But it is an easier plug and play in some regards. I don't need to bring out the extension cord. So for that reason, yep, I would repurchase and probably will if I lose it again. I'll make sure to put my name on it this time.